You're watching the Weiss channel. That. All right. Today, I'm going to show you how to do what's called proportional recipe puzzle on Delta Math. All right. So here is what your problem will look like. You have 4 servings, 2 servings, blank servings, 10 servings, 12 servings, 16 servings. All right. So, for example, if 4 servings, you have 2.5 bananas. All right. 4 divided by what is 2.5? What you need to do is go to your Desmos.com calculator. All right. So look over here at Desmos.com, and I'm going to do on the calculator, I'm going to hit 4. I'm going to do divided by, then I'm going to hit this 2, and then look, I'm going to do this A over B key here. That'll give me the fraction. 2, and then I'm going to hit 1 on top, and then 2 on the bottom. 4 divided by 2.5 gives me 1.6, but use this convert to fraction key. Press that, and it says 8 over 5. Okay, so now what that's telling me is that 4 divided by 8 over 5 equals 2.5. Okay, so 4 over 8 over 5 equals 2.5. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 2 divided by 8 over 5. 8 over 5. And I get 1.25, but I'm going to write that as a fraction. 5 over 4. So I'm going to type here 5 divided by 4. Okay. So that's, and you can leave it as an improper fraction. If you prefer, right, 5 over 4 is the same as 1 1/4. So if you prefer, you could click this mixed number key down here, all right, and you can put 1 and then 1 here and 4 here. Bless you. All right. Now, if 2 divided by 8 over 5 is 5 over 4, wouldn't 5 over 4 or 1 1/4 times 8 over 5 equal 2, right? So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 5 times 8 over 5. So what's 5 times A over B? 8 over 5. That would be 8. So right here is going to be 8. Okay. All right. Now, so here's what I'm going to do with this chocolate milk section. All right. Would you agree that 2 times 6 equals 12? 2 times 6 equals 12. If 2 times 6 equals 12, then I'm going to multiply 1/8 times 6. Okay. Let's do 1 over 8 times 6. And that gives me 0.75. I'm going to convert that to fraction. And that gives me 3 divided by 4. And there's your answer there. Okay. All right. So here again, would you agree that 2 times 5 is 10? 2 times 5 is 10. So I'm going to do 1/2 times 5 to get this number. All right. 1/2 times 5 gives me 2.5. But I'm going to write that as 2.5 or 5/2. It does not matter which way you type it. Okay, 5/2. All right. Over here, 4 times 4 makes 16, right? 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm going to do 1/3 times 4. 1/3 times 4 is actually 4/3. But here I will show you 1. Whoops. 1/3 times 4 is 1.333, but that's 4/3 or 1 1/3. So I'm going to put 4/3 here. 4 divided by 3. Okay. In these problems, if you want a hint, you can click on hint. Right. But now once you've typed in all of your numbers, you click try. You've completed the table. You may now press submit. Okay. And I'm going to click submit answer. Are you sure? Yes. There you go. Correct. That is how you do proportions recipe puzzle. You've been watching the Weiss channel. That.